sign over there.
What are you fucking doing? What are you fucking racing for, bro? What are you fucking doing? My God. What are you speeding for? You gotta slow down.
What's wrong with you, man?
You gotta slow down, man. Just relax.
Slow your fat ass down, man. I slapped the shit out your bitch ass, bro. I slapped your bitch ass for real. I'm playing. I slapped the shit out your bitch ass, right? Yeah, I know this.
Can you go? No. No, I'm saying you can go in front of me. I'm saying you can. I say you can go in front of me.
Now you could have slowed down, just like I told you. I slapped the shit out your ass.
Who's that? Boss lady?
No, it's the purple, pink camos. Or
Alright, you wanna play like that? Alright. You wanna fucking play like that, blind dude? Nah. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing that. I'm at the crossroads of East 30th Avenue and Peoria Street. This Nissan Altima that's in front of me is a copper collar, California license plate 9TL Z505. Literally freaking cut me off and freaking brake checked me. We're heading towards MLK. I don't know which direction that is exactly. Huh? Well, kinda, because I'm having to go this way to go home. I have my child in the car. He literally tried to slide me out of my freaking lane and brake checking. He's about to turn left on Martin Luther, heading towards train tracks, towards 17.